Welcome to Circuit Valley. Today this video is going to be about really special. This is a niche bit of technology from Tektronix TDS 8000 series of oscilloscopes, or better said, real-time sampling oscilloscope / communication analyzer. This particular device, it's a 80E04 sampling module. It's a 20 GHz sampling module for the oscilloscope. Oscilloscope itself does not have any sampling capability itself, so you're supposed to plug these modules in, and I'll show you how does it work. Oscilloscope has total 8 channels and you can plug 4 modules. For example, this particular module is a 50 GHz module, so it has only one channel. This is a 20 GHz module 80E03. It has only 2 channels. It cannot do TDR, while this little guy, however, it can do TDR. And these modules get plugged like this. You're supposed to screw them in, and when you want to plug them out, then you press the button and they are ready to be removed. So this is how it works. So take it apart, we need to take out these screws. Maybe we'll start from the back. On the back, you see, this is the primary analog signal, and rest are control and the sampling control. This module can do TDR as well. It can generate pulses and measure them. So one plate is out. I'll take apart the top as well. Now I think it should slide, if there is no other screw somewhere hidden. And there's a screw on the bottom. And this BNC caps need to be removed. Sorry, SMA cap. Now we are out. This is how it looks. So the real magic is happening in these boxes. Maybe we'll take it further apart. Let's take out these headers. Pretty easy, and this is how it looks. Looks quite nice. There are quite a few of ICs there. Let's take it further apart. I'll see what's inside that thing. Seems to be sealed somehow, or maybe just sticking together quite so well. Let me get my knife. There's a rubber seal there. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful, isn't it? All the way gold plated. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can see a little bit closer. Really, I can pretend to understand, but I'm not that good at this stuff, particularly at RF at silicon level. So every channel is capable of generating a TDR pulse, and so there are two channels. So one of the channels on the left side, one of the channel on the bottom side, and there definitely somewhere there's a pulse generator circuitry and the circuitry to do the sampling. It generates really fast pulses in the domain of around 20 GHz, even more than that. So I guess that's it for this video. I'll leave you with these nice shots of this sampling head's front end, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. www.circuitvalley.com